Hello children, today in this video we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 12, Nationalism. Children, nationalism means the feeling of oneness, togetherness and a pride for our country, जिसे हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं अपने भारत माता के लिए या अपने देश के लिए देशभक्ति की भावना होना, एकता की भावना होना. So in this whole chapter we will see some of our national leaders who sacrificed their entire life for our motherland. So open page number 107 in your SST book. The British in India. India has always attracted visitors from all over the world. Children, as in chapter 9 we had read about the heritage of our country and we have seen about so many attractive cultural traditions, monuments, literatures, art, etc. So people from all over the world come to India to visit India to have a look over India. Some come to explore, some people come to know about the traditional culture of India, while some attacked. किसी ने हमला भी किया इंडिया पे और कुछ तो इंडिया को लूटने के मकसद से भी आए थे. India has always been a trader's delight. Traders means a person who is doing export and import business, and India serve as a best means for the traders to do their trading business. The Arab people use the coastal area of India to trade with Italians. Europeans also trade from the medium of India only. They not only got cheaper raw materials here but could also use the sea route of the India to trade with other countries. So many people, many countries take the help of Indian sea route also for trading concern. And slowly India goes in the hand of Britishers and Britishers become the ruler of India. Come to the next page 108. First War of Independence. Under the British rule, जब Britishers का राज चलता था, the rulers lost their empires. All the rulers like Mughal Empire were there and so many other empires were there. They lost their empires and rules as Britishers captured over their empire. Farmers and craftsmen were crushed under heavy taxes. Farmers have to pay tax for their own land. Peasants were very ill treated and tortured, and Indian soldiers were considered incapable for the British army. Due to this widespread discontent, there were often small revolts here and there, and Indian peoples also protest against the Britishers in a small manner. But in May 1857, a bigger revolt was started by a sepoys means the soldiers. जब इस तरह का भेदभाव ब्रिटिशर्स इंडियंस के साथ करते थे तो दैट टाइम small revolts used to take place against them, but when the torture thing, the all illiterated behaviors were continued, then in May 1857 a big revolt was started by the soldiers of our country, and the revolt is also known as India's first war of independence. This revolt was started by Mangal Pandey. You can see the picture also. The revolt was led by many leaders, and along with Mangal Pandey, many other leaders like Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Rani Lakshmi Bai, etc., supported this first war of independence. Slowly, this revolt spread over many places like Lucknow, Kanpur, Jhansi, etc. But Britishers win the revolt and Indian lost the war of independence. But this encouraged the Indian peoples, Indian citizens, that we will not allow the Britishers to rule over our country and we will fight for our country. National leaders and nationalism. Now we will see about some of the national leaders who supported in the freedom movement. The revolt of 1857 we have not won, but it generated a spirit of nationalism among the Indian people. Nationalism means a feeling of belonging to one's country, एकता की भावना होना. Many leaders started fighting for the country's independence from the British rule. Now, one by one, we will see. Number one is Bhagat Singh. When we think of all the people who gave away their life for the pride and honor of their motherland, we often remember Shahid Bhagat Singh. Whenever we are thinking of the people who sacrificed their entire life for our motherland, we always remember Shahid Bhagat Singh ji. For seeking revenge on Lala Lajpat Rai's death to the 116-day fast in jail, Bhagat Singh is considered one of to be the most influential revolutionaries of the freedom movement of India. Bhagat Singh want to take the revenge of Lala Lajpat Rai's death, and he is one of the very best freedom fighter of India. At the age of 23 only, he was sentenced to death, and along with him, Rajguru and Sukhdev was also sentenced to death. But they all happily sacrificed their life for Bharat Mata, and their death proved a very sparkling awakening for the youth of our country that now we will fight against the Britishers and we will win the freedom for India. Next, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He is a prominent leader of Indian National Congress. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel plays a very important role in the struggle of independence. He is also called the Iron Man of India. Vallabhbhai Patel took part in Satyagraha, and while Mahatma Gandhi was in prison, he led the Satyagraha in Nagpur. The Satyagraha movement, which was started by our national leader Mahatma Gandhi ji, he also supported that Satyagraha movement. When Mahatma Gandhi was under the prison, then he led this Satyagraha movement in Nagpur. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also participated in the civil disobedience movement and in the Quit India movement. So children, this much for this video. Rest of the thing we will see in the next video. Thank you.